This utility cart from Ironton helps you easily move loads around your shop, garage, or warehouse. Get years of use from the heavy-duty maintenance-free structural foam construction that won't dent, rust, or chip. You'll have plenty of cargo space on the large trays, but you'll still be able to fit through most doorways. Hold up to 500 pounds total on 2 trays, which are 3 inches deep to help secure loads for transport. Protect your walls and furniture with the rounded corners. Store all your hardware and gear in the extra pockets and bins, and keep your coffee in the attached cup holder. Move it effortlessly on the 5-inch non-marring casters. Easily move loads around your shop, garage, or warehouse with this utility cart from Ironton. Only at Northern Tool.